Girls, what should Father Christmas buy Daddy? I'm thinking socks.
Nah, I think we should buy some tickets to Spain.
I know. What about an emergency light?
Now let's buy Daddy 5,000 Ferraris. There's no such thing as 5,000 Ferraris. Why? Where would they do that?
Zoe, what about hairbands for Daddy's beard?
It's gonna act a banana. I was caught then.
I'm surely not getting anywhere. Someone please help.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, welcome back to my Mercado di Toronto YouTube page. I hope you guys enjoyed the small little video that I put together in the beginning. I hope it was funny. Please let me know in the comment section if it wasn't. Be gentle. That being said, let's dive straight into it. I'm going to quickly just go through all the products that are in the kit and just a brief description where necessary about all the products. And actually just show you guys all the stuff that is in this and this amazing kit that anyone, how you guys can actually win. One of you will be able to win this amazing gift. Stay tuned. In the kit you find a bug away. So this is similar to the one video I did with the bug and tar remover. Then there's an all-purpose cleaner, and on the side here, whoever wins this will actually see all the dilution ratios. Then there's a leather balm and a leather cleaner. So this you would use, you don't use this all the time. This is maybe once every 6 months or once a year, depending on how dirty you would assume that your leather gets. And then this is leather balm or leather conditioner or leather care. So these two go hand in hand. And with that is the DNA Maxi Suds, also highly concentrated, use very little. Dilution ratios are there, so I'm not going to get into that as well. So that's the DNA range. These two products, they don't come out of the same factory, but they come out of the same country, so they're both UK based products. So this is the Turtle Wax Tire and Bumper Trim Gel, and then this is Auto Glimpse Super Resin Polish. Incredible product. For those that have used it, you can testify, and whoever wins this kit, who has never used this before, you will actually understand the hype around this. Best applied by hand, but can also be used with a machine. Next up guys is the Shield range. So the microfiber 10 pack, and right next to it is your wash and dry value pack. So this has got the long microfiber towel and your wash mitt, the Fresh 24 Ocean Drive, and I've also included the pump spray. Then actually suffer from sinuses, I've included an air conditioning treatment fogger. So all the instructions are here, I'm not going to go into it, but if you suffer from sinuses, or if your car just has a funny smell, if you smoke in the car or whatever, this is the product to use to clean out, and it's got a new car fragrance to clean out the inside. And then two products that go hand in hand. The one is the clay bar, and then also included in it is an instant detailer. So use your clay bar with your instant detailer. Next up is SP8. So this is a silicone free dressing. So this can be used on anything besides material. So on dashboards, on leather, if the DNA leather balm is finished, you can use it on leather as well. On vinyl, rubber, plastic, and once again silicone free and has a nice new car fragrance as well. Along, I've also included a tire dress applicator. As you can see, it's curved, so it goes around the curve of the actual tire. And then last but not least, I've included a tire jack. So this you use if you have a flat. Instead of making use of your jack, you just take this out. If you're able to remove the object that scores the muncher, go ahead and do that. If you don't, it's fine. This can also be used with if you've got a run flat tire, it's run flat tire safe. So the glue in here will go and seal the puncture, and then the rest is compressed air, will pump up your tire, and it will pump it about 1 bar, and as you drive it will stabilize to about 1.2, so you're on your way. So all of this included in that kit. So guys, this is the box or the kit or the container. It's a 20 liter. Obviously it's got handles, it's nice and sturdy, nice part, you can lock it in nicely, and it's got a swivel that clips in over there so you don't actually lose this lid. Hey guys, just a quick side note, I do want to apologize if my voice sounds a bit different. I am, unfortunately, it looks like I'm catching the flu. The question that needs to be asked is, who catches the flu in summer? This guy. But that being said, I just want to just quickly touch base with regards to the kit. I'm sure you will agree with me that it is a proper and comprehensive kit put together. It covers everything from beginning to end with looking after your pride and joy on wheels. Now, how any person stands a chance to win this kit? Very simple. All you guys need to do is take a picture of what you currently have with regards to car detailing. So whether you have a shampoo, whether you have 50 different shampoos, whether you have one product or 1,000 products, doesn't matter. Take a picture of what you currently have, upload that picture on the Mikado Detail onto a Facebook page, and just a quick description as to why you feel you need to win this prize. I'll get notified, and then all the people that have complied with the rules, 2 basic rules. Like I said, take a picture, upload it, and just a quick reason why you need to win this amazing kit. And then what we'll do is the prize will then be, or the winner will be announced on the 21st of December 2019, which is this coming Saturday. I will do a Facebook Live, and yeah, that's all guys. Tag your friends and family on the Mikado Di Toronto page. Let them see how easy it is that they can win this amazing prize. And all the best. I'm excited for whoever wins this. But yeah, all the best guys, and I hope you guys have a good week. Cheers.